We will use a sawzall with a coarse blade and not a metal blade, or circular saw, black marker, and a drill with a 5/16" bit. The drill will need an adjustable clutch. You will also need safety glasses and a utility knife.
Be sure to review the CAD drawing for your project to ensure proper system layout and assembly. AQC Industries provides CAD drawings of the BlueDuct underground duct system. The CAD drawings are interpreted from the engineer's drawing as a recommendation of the materials needed to complete our system. Please consult with the engineer and other trade professionals before proceeding with the installation. Also, please verify that any needed elevation changes are properly documented on the drawing. For proper backfill, the minimum burial depth of the BlueDuct is 2 inches below the bottom of the slab. Refer to the project specifications for any job site requirements.
AQC Industries requires all installing contractors to be properly trained. In addition to online training, we offer 2 free training webinars each month.